Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to email to a board in Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to use that feature, just simply open your Trello application and then tap into this three bars. Then from here tap into settings and then tap into this profile and visibility option. Then after that just simply log into your account if you haven't logged your account into browser. Then after that go to this home page, then you will see all of your boards into here. Now you just simply have to select the board, and after selecting the board will be loaded into your browser. Now you just simply have to this three dots into here. Then after that you will directly get the option of email to board. After scrolling down a bit, just simply tap into email to board option, and then you just simply have to enter your email address for this board, and then just simply tap to email me this address option and you are all set. This way you can easily use email to board in Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.